Hindi maganda ang pakiramdam ko ngayon.
I'm not feeling well today.
Masaya siya kahapon.
He was happy yesterday.
Palagi kaming sabay na kumakain ng hapunan.
We always eat dinner together.
Sumakay sila sa bus papunta sa trabaho.
They took the bus to work.
Ayaw niya ng gulay.
He doesn't like vegetables.
Napakadelikado ng tulay na iyon.
That bridge is very dangerous.
Ayoko ng kahit anong inumin.
I don't want any drink.